In the quiet spaces of the world, where time seems to slow, and nature whispers instead of shouting, there lives a creature most never truly notice, suspended between threads thinner than air, perfectly still, perfectly aware. This is a spider, but not just any spider. This is a master of design, a silent hunter, an architect whose work rivals the greatest structures ever built. Its body is marked with patterns, not painted by chance, but written by evolution itself. Black, white, gold, a warning, a disguise, a signature. Each leg is armed with tiny spines, sensors tuned to vibrations so delicate they can detect the movement of a single wing beat. To the human eye, the web appears fragile, almost invisible, but this is an illusion. Spider silk is stronger than steel, more flexible than nylon, and produced effortlessly from within its own body. Every thread is placed with intention, every angle calculated, every connection exact. This web is not just a trap, it is a network, a living extension of the spider's mind. When an insect touches the silk, the signal travels instantly. The spider knows where, what, how big, how dangerous, and then stillness. The spider does not rush, it waits, because patience is power. At the center of the web lies a mystery, a zigzag pattern woven deliberately. Scientists still debate its purpose, a warning to birds, a stabilizer against wind, a beacon that reflects ultraviolet light, luring unsuspecting prey closer. Perhaps it is all of these, or perhaps it is something we do not yet understand. Then suddenly, movement. The web trembles. In a fraction of a second, the spider explodes into motion. Silk flies faster than thought. The prey is wrapped, pinned, neutralized. No struggle lasts long. The venom does not kill instantly. It paralyzes. Time slows again. The spider feeds not with force, but with precision. Enzymes turn solid into liquid, life into energy. Nothing is wasted. Nothing is rushed. This spider does not hunt for pleasure. It hunts to survive. And in doing so, it protects the balance of the ecosystem, controlling insect populations, guarding crops, maintaining nature's fragile order. Yet despite its role, it is feared, misunderstood, destroyed without thought. But look closer. This is not a monster. This is a survivor, an engineer, a reminder that intelligence does not always roar. Sometimes it waits, silent, still, watching. So the next time you see a web glistening in the morning light, do not tear it down. Pause, because you are standing before one of nature's most brilliant creations, a masterpiece woven in silence, in